In this video I'll show you how you can make your washing machine door open when it doesn't want to open. I had this problem with the handle on my washing machine here. It wasn't opening. I fixed it. I fixed the handle. There was a piece of plastic that was broken and I fixed it again and it broke again. So I was really annoyed by it. So I thought I would put a piece of string. So the piece of string is tied to this release mechanism here. That's the same mechanism that the handle operates. So when I pull on that piece of rope, the string, it actually does the same thing as I was doing with the opening handle, but the handle doesn't work, but the string works. So it doesn't look very good, but it's working. So yeah, it works every time. I wanted to have it to make sure it's working every time because it's a bit annoying to open the door all the time. To do this, I had to open the screws on the door, the cover, and literally I only tied a piece of string, solid, really, this is nylon string, really solid one, to the handle, to the unlocking mechanism, and that's it. I put the cover back and now I can open the door. Look, I tried to make thumbs up in different angles. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have a problem with your washing machine. What is that? Which problem?